Hello guys, welcome to SOTER LUXURY COUTURE where we teach the simplest way to sew and get it done quick. Today we are going to talk about accurate armholes. Is your armhole looking like this or like this? Want better results like these? We've got you covered. Stay tuned and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified anytime we upload. Results will be posted at the end. Enjoy the video.